This lamp looks normal enough when it's turned off, but switch it on and for this project, you will need a lamp. I used a small IKEA lamp. A light bulb for the lamp, which I also grabbed at IKEA. White vinyl with a mirrored design. You can make your own or purchase one off Etsy. To make your own, you will need a vinyl cutter. Make sure you select mirror, or else when you apply it onto your lampshade, it'll be reversed. This is especially important when your design has words like mine. I got my magical designs off the Accio SVG's Facebook group, which I will link below. Remove your design off the mat and start weeding. I opted for removable vinyl because it's a lot easier to take off if you mess up while applying. If you have a lot of confidence, however, you can use permanent vinyl as well. Apply the clear transfer tape to the decal when you're done. Now that your decal is ready for application, remove the lampshade off your lamp and set everything else aside. After making sure the sizing is correct for your lampshade, carefully peel the backing off and start applying. After applying, make sure it's all adhered and carefully peel the clear transfer tape off. Put it all together and